Are you concerned about your online privacy and security? Wondering how to stay safe while browsing the web? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect to a VPN in Windows. Let's dive in. Open your Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. In the Settings menu, select Network and Internet. From here, choose VPN. Now, click on Add a VPN connection. Fill in the required fields with your VPN provider's information. You need to fill the connection name, server name or address, type of VPN, as well as the sign-in info. Once done, select Save. To connect to the VPN, return to the VPN settings by clicking Start, Settings, Network and Internet, then VPN. Click on the newly created VPN connection. Finally, click Connect and voila! You're now securely connected to your VPN. And there you have it. Connecting to a VPN in Windows is quick and easy, providing you with the security and privacy you deserve while browsing online.